how to withdraw USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So after you open up now your Binance app, now go and copy the address of the USDT from your Binance. After you open Binance, go to asset. From the asset, go to deposit. After you come to deposit, now go and search for USDT in this option. After you search for USDT, select USDT like this. So in this option now, here is it now. In this option now, tap on this network and choose the network. Scroll to down and tap on this open network. That's Ton. Make sure to choose this network, the open network. That's Ton. After you select the Ton network, tap on this OK. So you must use these two, the memo and the deposit address. So I'll start by copying the deposit address. Now go back and open up your Tonkeeper app. After you open the Tonkeeper, now here is my USDT. Tap on the USDT. So now tap on this send. After you tap on the send button, now go ahead now and paste in the address. Here is the address now. Now it will ask you to type in the memo. So now go back and open up your Binance and copy the memo. Here is the memo. After you copy the memo, now go back and paste in the memo in the memo section, this one. So now here is the memo. So now all you have to do now, go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say 20. From there now, if you have amount of USDT in your Tonkeeper, so you can just tap on this continue button. From there, the USDT would be sent into your Binance account. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.